Hello, I'm Ruth Marks and I'm the Chief Executive of WCVA, that's Wales Council for Voluntary Action. I've been really interested in learning about the Academy, and I've had a variety of different links and contacts. So firstly, I heard about it because I'm a member of an advisory group with the Future Generations Commissioner. Then I had a great opportunity to attend a seminar in Berlin, and there were several members of the Academy who accompanied the Commissioner to that event. So I had the chance to spend a little bit of time with them and to hear them speak. So that was great. I was then invited to deliver a guest slot on my life and my career and so on. That was a combination of interesting and a bit scary because we don't often get the chance to get quizzed on ourselves in jobs that we've done and our outlook on life and so on. And it was really doubly scary because I was meeting colleagues on the same day as they'd met Michael Sheen, the Hollywood actor, who's also the president of WCVA. And I thought, oh gosh, I'm following Michael Sheen. So that was interesting. Very, very positive experience of reverse mentoring so far. So firstly, it was good to get some briefing information. So that was good to be able to read through. I also had a chat with a couple of other people who had been involved in something similar to get their experiences. Then I had a really useful introductory meeting with the person that I'd been linked up with. So that was great because we were both able to ask each other questions about what we thought this was all about, what we wanted to put into it, what we wanted to get from it. And we've got 3 sessions set up formally. We've only done the first one, but it was really, really interesting. A very different experience for me. I don't have opportunities very often, either in my work life or in my personal life, to have conversations with, but most importantly to listen to younger people. So it's been really positive so far, and I'm sure that will continue. Well, I thought that the opportunity to get involved with the Academy would be really great for 3 main reasons. The first one was to give the opportunity to actually meet a younger person and to learn from them. Secondly, to listen to ideas and suggestions, to be able to feed into my work and work with my colleagues. And then thirdly, it was to support the Future Generations Commissioner's work programme, because I think that everything that is set out, but especially the work with younger people, is really, really important. Well, I'm waiting in anticipation actually for one particular highlight opportunity, because my reverse mentor is talking with me and reflecting with me on my style as a leader, and also my digital skills, which really feature in a could do better category. And she very kindly gave time to attend a staff meeting that we held recently, and she popped me an email immediately afterwards saying, "Thanks for that opportunity, it was really interesting, look forward to talking to you about that when we next meet." And we're recording this interview in between my first reverse mentoring session and our staff meeting, and my second reverse mentoring session, which is next week. So I'm waiting in anticipation as regards her feedback, as regards how that meeting went, and a digital challenge that I actually faced in that meeting. So she was seeing how I sometimes stumble and struggle, and how I got over that or how I didn't get over that. So that's going to be really interesting. So that's been one highlight. And then the other highlight has been the opportunity to work with somebody who was really kindly volunteering their time to share their experiences and ideas about our work on equality, diversity and inclusion, and that's an increased priority for us at the moment and for future years. And so I'm really grateful to that member of the Academy for sharing their time and their insights. I would encourage all employers to look at opportunities to get involved with new initiatives where they open themselves up to linking with and learning from younger people individually or in groups. We've all got something to learn, we've all got something to share, and an initiative like this is a great opportunity to dip your toe into the water, to give you the chance to reflect on things in a different space, and also to take on board new ideas and support the well-being of future generations, which benefits all of us. Firstly, thank you. Thank you for being involved in this first cohort, and well done for leading the way on a new initiative and new partnerships in Wales. Thank you to my reverse mentor. I hope we keep in touch. And the world is your oyster. Be positive. If you don't ask, you don't get. Be passionate about stuff. Volunteer to do stuff. And if at first you don't get the answer you want, then find another way to ask the question. Ask people all the time, and if at first you get a no, you'll get a yes somewhere. So keep asking, keep trying, and all power to all your elbows. Thank you very much.